For those times to count towards.
Andy! Forget it. Andy! Forget it. I have no.
You're watching some highlights from Wednesday's Western Regional State High School Championships down World Cup and Terry's at the finish line at the bottom of Terry's Run. What race would be complete without putting Kevin Kermode on? In his beard, of course. And the Wednesday snow report is it's good here, it's good there, it's almost good everywhere. We'll see how things change once we have a day and a half of north upslope winds. But on Wednesday it was super good everywhere. This is a face of 3. Yeah, here comes the wind shift. Great day up on Mammoth Mountain on Wednesday with some great wind-blown snow as the wind started shifting to upslope winds from the north-northwest. They ramped up all night long, and at 4:40 a.m. a gust of 114 miles per hour, and they've been over 100 miles per hour ever since. The peak gust was at 6:05 a.m., 144 miles per hour, and those clouds are going from the north toward the south. Not the prevailing winds that we'd like to see. And cold temperatures. It was 17 degrees in the morning. But a nice weekend is in the forecast. Just a couple of days of these strong northwest winds. Yeah, some very strange weather in March of 2024. Over 100 mile per hour winds from the north-northwest since 4:40 a.m. at the top of Mammoth Mountain, with a peak gust of 144 miles per hour about 6:05 a.m. It was 5 degrees, which means it's about minus 35 wind chill. It is Pi Day. It's 3/14/24. Yeah, I tell you, it's been a really crazy month of weather here in March. It came in like a lion with a roar, the 3-day wind event, and now it looks like it might go out like a lion. I'm standing down here in the meadow where it's just a little bit of a breeze every once in a while, but there's well over 100 mile per hour winds at the top of Mammoth Mountain since 4:40 a.m. when it hit 100 miles per hour, and 144 mile per hour gusts recorded at 6:05 a.m. It was 5 degrees, which means it's minus 35 wind chill, and the top will not open today. Chair 1's not open, lower gondola's not open. Chair 6 was open because today is the second day. Today was a scheduled slalom race of the Western High School Championships here in Mammoth. With some Mammoth kids, 10 Mammoth kids made the ski side and 4 kids on the snowboard side. So I think they might be able to get that race off today. It is Pi Day, it's P-I Day, it's 3/14/2024. Hello everyone, I'm Dan McConnell, and coincidentally it's also Albert Einstein's birthday. So much fracking wind with a slight chance of flurries into early Saturday actually. Then an amplified ridge builds, bringing above normal temperatures by Sunday, Monday, and into Tuesday. Looks like the warmest day of the week will be on Tuesday, but the long-term maps are indicating the return of unsettled weather toward the end of the month. So March came in like a lion, and it might go out like a lion. So again, chair 6 was open out of the main lodge early this morning, and chair 11. Chairs 8 and 16 down at the Canyon Lodge, and the Eagle lift was open. Gold Rush was open, but most of the other lifts, a lot of the upper and mid-level lifts will be closed today due to those strong north-northwest winds. This type of a pattern is not that uncommon. We had ones many years ago where they called it the blowdown, where a lot of trees blow down over by Minaret Falls and throughout this area and up in Tuolumne Meadows. But low pressure system circulating from one side and a high over on the other side brings these strong northwest winds. The Mammoth High School slalom again is scheduled for today, but it's cold. Over at June Mountain, they were in full operation. It was 13 degrees, so maybe go, and 10 to 15 mile per hour winds from the north-northwest. So maybe go over there and take a few runs, dress warm, and then go hit the Antler Bar. Or you could hit the cross-country ski trails. If you're in the woods, it's usually not that bad, because the winds are not really strong at all here at the surface. On this day in 1794, Eli Whitney patented the cotton gin. I think I might go out and celebrate and have a cotton gin martini. I don't think that works. Also, on this day in 1914, Henry Ford started the continuous motion assembly of his cars that cut it from 12 hours to assemble a car to 93 minutes. Boy, that put some people out of work. And it is Albert Einstein's Day on Pi Day. It's also Hank Ketchum's birthday, who created Dennis the Menace, astronaut Frank Borman, Quincy Jones, Michael Batman Caine's birthday, Billy Crystal, and Kate Maberly, who was in The Secret Garden and Finding Neverland. Secret Garden is a Coppola movie. It's also Chef Frederick Perel's birthday. Happy birthday, Fred. Andrea Carnes-Carlosardo over at Footloose. Happy birthday to you. Kathy Anderson, Joanna Lee Kaler Herrer's birthday. Happy birthday, Joanna, local gal. Robert Yoki up at the Twin Lakes Gallery. Aaron Smith, Matt Gordon, Katie McWilliams, and remember Mark Hendrickson. Today is his birthday. If it's your birthday, happy birthday to you. Stay warm and make today the best day ever. Boy, this is just really strange weather. I'll pan back to the east now, where it looks partly cloudy or mostly clear over the Owens Valley, but a cold north wind. Oh, those upslope winds.